When I go to a wrestling competition, I'm always scared of losing or getting hurt. When I get there, I put my shoes on, then get my headgear, and then I go warm up with my coaches and friends. My coaches give me my match numbers, and then I have to wait until they call my name.
Match 104, Denver, go.
First match, my opponent was stronger than me, but I still went to the end. This time I didn't get to put him on his back. My coach came to give me advice, but I was still thinking about how I lost. When I lost my first match, I felt like I wouldn't ever win any other match. So when I'm doing a very difficult match, I think about things that I could do against someone that's going very hard. After losing my first match that day, I told myself to never give up and do my 2 and 3 matches even though I lose. So during my second and third match, I gave everything I could to try and win, but the other people that I was versing were still stronger. At this wrestling competition, I lost 3 matches, but I told myself at least I had fun and learned lots of things. Next time I might win. I will work harder, never give up, and try to be a champion. I'm a wrestler.